art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Faire Fawn, a fan-made smiling critter from Puppy Playtime. So first let's get started with the nose, and on a diagonal pointing up towards the left corner, let's start by drawing a curved line that arches around and then down on the right hand side. Starting from the corner now, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. And now to the left of this again, we're going to curve this line up, connecting it on that line and then curving it back across. Let's draw in the eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw a nice big arch line, curving that up towards the side. And now on the top, we're going to arch that line up and then down. Let's move over towards the left. We're going to curve this line further up towards the left-hand corner. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this line back around and then in. To the top right-hand corner now, we're going to draw in a small oval for the highlight of the eye. And then we'll do the same thing as we flip over on the left. Let's move underneath and draw in the mouth on either side. So starting on the right, we're going to curve that line up and then down. Coming up on the left, we're going to curve that over and across. Starting up above, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then flipping over on the left-hand side, we're going to arch that line around, back up. Let's draw a nice big arch line now. So starting from the top, we're just going to curve this line all the way around, bringing that over and up. In the center, we're going to curve that line over and across. And then to the left of this, we're going to arch that up and then back down. Let's draw on the cheeks now. So coming up above the corner of the mouth, we're going to curve this line around. And we're going to blend that in towards the bottom, leaving a small gap. Then we'll come up on the left-hand side, replicating that. And we're just going to, again, curve this all the way around, arching that in, blending that together. In the center here now, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches up and then down. And we're going to leave a small gap for the ear. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up, bringing that down, connecting it together. For the ear on the right-hand side now, we're going to arch this line up, down, and then back up towards the right-hand corner. And then from the point here, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the right cheek. On the inside, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. Above this, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the right. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in. Now moving over to the left-hand side, we're going to start by drawing the left horn first. So we're going to curve this line up, back down. Coming down on the right, we'll replicate that, arching that out, back down behind our right ear. Let's move over on the left-hand side now, and we're going to curve this line up, down, and then back over towards the top left-hand side. And now from this corner, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and then in. Underneath now, let's arch this line up towards the top. From that point, we're going to curve this line in, out, and then back down. For the eyebrows, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches up and then down on both sides. Let's come down now and draw in the flower pendant. So moving down on a diagonal, we're going to draw in a small circle in the center. On the top of this, we're going to curve this line out and then back down. We'll come over to the side, curving that out, back in. Let's flip over towards the left now, arching that out, back through. And then again on the bottom, curving that down, back up. In all the corners now, we're just going to bring this line out and then down, creating a small triangle. We'll flip over to the left, replicating that. We'll come down on the bottom left, in the corner, and then again one more time on the right-hand side. Let's close off the top of the torso by drawing a small curved line that arches in towards our chin. And then for the necklace, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes up on the right and again on the left. Let's draw on the right arm now. So coming underneath the cheek here, we're going to bring this diagonal line out towards the side. We're going to come down, leaving a gap, and we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in. Now from the top, we're going to curve this line out towards the side, bringing that back in. We're going to step further over now, curving this line from the top all the way down towards the bottom. On the side, we're going to draw in an oval. Now from here, let's draw on the bottom of the torso. So we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up. From that corner here now, we're going to curve this line down and then out. For the back, we're going to curve this line around, in, and then down. For our back leg, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. Moving in, we're going to curve this line around, bending that at the knee, bringing that up, ending that at the same distance. Now let's draw a curved line from top to bottom, closing that off. And stepping further in, we'll replicate that again. Let's draw on our left leg now, so leaving a gap in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving across, we'll replicate that again, ending that a little bit further on a diagonal. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. And then stepping up one more time, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's step out on the left-hand side. We're going to draw in a curved line that comes out on a diagonal. Stepping down again, we'll replicate that, ending that at the same distance. On the top, we're going to curve that line out and then in. And then stepping further up, we're going to curve that down towards the bottom. Lastly, let's draw in the tail. So coming behind here, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Stepping underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then through. And then one more time as we come down, we're going to curve that around and then in. And that is it. That's how you draw Faire Fawn, a fan-made smiling critter from Puffy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.